Maybe it was not so good idea to buy it on a market price. Today, I will show you how my portfolio lost $400. Let's talk about what mistakes I made, as well as I am going to buy live cryptocurrencies for $400. Stay with me and let's go! So this is the next part of the investment show in which I actually invest in the cryptocurrency market, show all the transactions and share my experience with you. Therefore, subscribe to this channel as not to miss the next part of this investment show. At that moment, since the beginning of my investment, the total loss is about $400. I will now open all my exchanges to see which cryptocurrency has lost most in the value. Let's start with the worst coins first, which showed minus 85% in value in only 2 months. The initial investments in these 2 coins was about $130. At the moment, the value is only $20. These are Cetus and Monkey Ball. Both coins belongs to NFT and play to earn universe. Yes, it was not my best investment decision. Therefore, as I said earlier, it's important to choose as many coins for investment as possible, since it is always impossible to predict which coins will grow 10x. So let's check out the next cryptocurrency exchange. So in this cryptocurrency exchange, I originally invested $400. The portfolio right at the moment is currently valued at $190. So the losses here is about 45%. Also not the best results. And the last cryptocurrency exchange, which has the most secure crypto assets, showed the best result. Initially, this exchange had an investment portfolio worth of $600. Now the value of all these assets is only $478. So it is lost about 90%. So this is much less than other exchanges. And this is a good news since it is the biggest part of my portfolio. Therefore, as I said earlier, this is why I keep assets of different level of risks in my portfolio. Investing only in 2 or 4 assets is too risky. And investing only in Bitcoin is not suitable for me personally, as I need ultra profitability and I'm ready to take big risks. Today I will buy assets that have lost their value and add 1 extra coin in my portfolio. In total, I am investing today another $400. At the beginning, I want to buy a new coin. This is the DOGAMI project. This is a new NFT project and has only recently started trading on a cryptocurrency exchange. The project is very interesting as everyone has the opportunity to buy their own digital puppy and take care of it. It is also play-to-earn game format. It seems to me that this project has a great potential in the growth in the future. To keep my portfolio as diversified as possible, I will make an initial investment of $35 in this project. And now I'm going to switch to a different exchange and I'm going to find DOGAMI. So with a ticker DOGA, and the performance is really stable right at the moment, and we are going to buy it for 27 cents. Great. So, and I'm going to buy it for $35. So let's enter and buy. Confirm. And I'm going to submit. Yeah, order filled. Great. Let's check it. My trades. DOGAMI. Executed. Great, I have 130 DOGAMI. Since both of the different coins I bought earlier on the same exchange lost a lot in value, but I still believe in their success in the future, I will buy both coins for $30 each. So, and I'm going to select Monkey Ball first and buy it for $30 also. I'm going to buy it on a market price, buy, confirm, done, and also SENSO. And I'm going to buy it, so confirm, filled. Great. Let's check it one more time. So my trades. Yes, I have DOGAMI, Monkey Ball, and SENSO. Great. And also such projects as SENSO or OVR, which I have already mentioned in my previous videos, show very good development right at the moment. And recent drop in price is an excellent opportunity to buy more of them. And I'm going to invest $70 in SENSO, as the price is very attractive now and this project has a very good development right at the moment. And now I'm going to buy SENSO. I'm going to select SENSO. And the price is a bit higher right at the moment, but still it's very attractive. So I'm going to enter $70 and buy SENSO. Done. Great. So, and the order is executed. Really good. So I have 106 SENSO. And the next $50 I'm going to invest in OVR project. So I'm going to open OVR. And I'm going to invest $50 in OVR. So I'm going to buy it also on market price. And let's buy it. Done. Great. Maybe it was not so good idea to buy it on a market price because the candlestick is a huge. It's like a whale. So, and the next $30 I'm going to invest in Atlas project. And we can see right at the moment that someone has sold a lot of. Okay, let's find Atlas. So, and let's buy Atlas for 35. Let's buy it for $35. So, buy Atlas. And it's executed. Great. So we bought SENSO, OVR, and Atlas. And in conclusion, I want to buy cryptocurrencies on another crypto exchange where their assets are not so risky. 1inch and Uniswap have lost a lot in the value, so I'm going to invest $50 in each coin. So now let's change the exchange and invest $50 first in 1inch. So let's take also market value, $50. And the price right at the moment is not so bad. That's why I'm going to select market order, $50 and buy 1inch. Successful order. Great. Now let's select Uniswap. So Uniswap. And let's buy it also for $50. And let's buy Uni. And we can see that right at the moment the price is rising. Okay, not problem, it's still good. So let's buy Uni. Executed. Great. Solana, my favorite coin, also is now at a very attractive price level. I will buy Solana for $30. For $30 only because it is high cap coin and I need more risky coins. That's why only $30 in Solana. I'm going to select Sol. Where is Sol? Sol. And I'm going to buy also $30 of Solana. Hey, we can see that it's right at the moment a pump. Not so really good, but yeah. And I'm going to buy Solana. So, successful order. Great. And the last asset for today is XRP or Ripple. I will buy this coin for the remaining $25. So I'm going to select XRP and I'm going to enter the 100% of my capital. So it is $25. Let's buy it and execute it. Great. So it was allocation for $400 in only a few minutes. In the next episode, I plan to add new coins in my portfolio in order to diversify it even more. That's why subscribe to my channel as not to miss which cryptocurrency I will invest in. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!